All right, continuation of my abroad experience. Like I said, the next thing I'll be discussing here is what I experienced in my country before leaving for abroad. The airport, my country airport, I experienced something very strange. Okay, although we are more than four that came, some with student visa, some work permit visa, yeah, some visit visa, yes. And for those with work permit visa, and that happens to be their first time of traveling. So what this airport attendant did was they collected all the international passport from us. They were checking those that shows that is their first time of traveling. They kept it one side, and then they were just waiting. Of course, the visa is with them, the international passport is with them. We are just waiting at the queue and waiting for them to stamp, send us to the next department where the remaining port attendants will do their own search and co. So we are waiting, and we are not being called. Sometimes we ask, hi. Sometimes we ask, is there any problem? They will end up telling us, no problem, that we should just relax. So, like, the time for the plane to depart was approaching. We were just delaying, waiting for the time to still get near, then before they could approach us. And it continues like that. So just like 30 minutes before the plane will take off, one of them called us, and we're like saying, if you know this is your first time of traveling, are you this name? Yes, okay, fine. You have a work permit visa, and there are some documents that the country where you're going are supposed to send to the people who did the visa for you, and they did not send it. So they will just put you in that mood of, that is, your mind will keep shaking, like you'll be tensed, you'll be afraid, because of course less than 30 minutes the plane will just take off, and we are still at the first point where you are yet to be stamped. Okay, so the next thing is, you're like, they are sorry, you cannot pass. Okay, you cannot pass until you call them to send the document via mail. So being the first time, there is nothing you could do. In fact, there is nothing they are saying you know about, and automatically this is actually not truth at all. It's just that at that point you have nothing to do other than to seek for solution and what next to do. So some of us were forced to ask them, so what do we do here? So they pretended as if there's nothing to be done. They say they don't know. Contact your agents who did this visa for you, or you call them direct from the country and tell the company to send you the documents. So the time was still approaching, 25 minutes left, like that, 24 minutes left, like that. So we were forced to ask, okay, so what do you do? Just tell us anything. They were just waiting for the word anything. Okay, anything at all you want us to do, we'll do. So at that point already we are at their mercy. Okay, at that point we are already confused, and the only thing is for us to keep pleading and ask them if there's anything we can do, anything at all. So at this point there is nothing we can do, like nothing at all one can do other than to begin to ask them which way forward and keep begging. So the next thing they did was, one of them said, okay, you have to bring 100,000, you have to bring 50,000. And it was just like that. So some of us tried to beat down the price and they refused. They never allowed. Yeah, they said that is it. So imagine in this situation where you one don't have such money, even though you call your siblings, you call your parents, they tell you they don't have such money. So in that aspect, what do? Automatically, you end up to lose your flight for that day, and which once you miss your flight for that day, there is tendency of you adding more money, okay, for them to shift the date of your flight again. So like that. So some of us, we don't have option than to just call. Yeah, we called and we demanded for their account number. They gave out their account number and then we transferred the money. Immediately they received the money, they stamped our international passport and asked us to proceed to the next stage. So those without money, or those that were not able to provide the money, some of us left them at that first stage. So why am I saying all this is, if it is your first time, okay, to travel abroad, expect something like this once you approach, or once you are going to the airport. Expect something like this, because it may likely to come, so that you don't end up missing your flights for any reason. Of course, I'm not promoting bribe, so to say, but then I told us that this is just an experience. More of this will be coming as I'll be unveiling them as time goes on. So do well to subscribe to my social media handles, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.